The Selfish Giant. There was once a most beautiful garden. In the garden was a house, and in that house lived a giant. Every afternoon he went to visit another giant, and every afternoon after school the children ran into his garden to play. One day the giant came back early. When he saw the children playing in his beautiful garden, he was furious. "Go away, you naughty, naughty children!" he shouted. "It is my garden, not yours. You will spoil it." So he built a high wall around his beautiful garden, and the children no longer came in to play. He was a very selfish giant. Winter passed and spring came. All the trees began to blossom and the flowers pushed their way up through the bare earth. But in the giant's garden, the snow still lay deep. The giant longed for the spring, but the months went by and still the snow lay as deep as ever. One morning, the giant was woken by a beautiful sound. It was a bird singing. He looked out of his window and saw that the snow was melting. Through a little hole in the wall, the children were creeping. They were climbing the trees, and as they touched the branches, the trees burst into blossom. The giant hurried down to the garden, but when the children saw him coming, they were frightened and hid away, all except for one. One little boy stood crying by a snowy tree. He was too small to reach even the lowest branches. Gently, the giant lifted him into the tree. As he touched it, the snow melted and the blossom began to bloom. "How selfish I have been," said the giant. "It is the children who bring life and laughter into my garden. It is the children who make it beautiful." And he took a great axe and knocked down the wall. When the children saw how the giant had changed, they came out of their hiding places, and from that day on, the garden became their own. The giant played with the children in what had become the most beautiful garden in the world.